11:47 a.m. and my shop launch is at 12 noon, and I'm worried because I don't think anybody's going to shop when it launches.
Hi, let's pause here and take a look at the art journey that led up to this moment. It all started when I had the image in my head of a cat on a life buoy. It's struggling but still afloat, so there's hope. Personally, I really relate to this feeling this year, and if you feel like you're struggling too, that's okay. There's a saying that everything will be okay in the end. If it's not okay, then it's not the end. My dream is that my art gives hope to anyone who can relate. I called this drawing the SOS cat, and it inspired me to make it out of clay as well. Here, I'm making puddles of water and the life buoy rings. Of course, I'm starting with the cat version. I know the eyes look a little bit scary right now, but we'll fill it in momentarily. This was my first time making the eyes in a different style from my usual dot eyes, and it was pretty challenging to get the tiny details. This piece overall might look simple, but sometimes the clean and simple designs are actually harder to perfect because there's not a lot of distractions to hide behind. I also made an SOS bunny because bunnies are a very common theme in my art. Did you know that some bunnies can swim? But they only tend to swim when they're in danger, so let's keep them safe and give them a life buoy to pull them ashore. I also made an SOS ducky. Ducks have no trouble swimming, but this one's just a baby and only starting to learn. I also love how bald the top of the head looks.
I'm just gonna double check that everything is active and okay. Yes. Stickers, art prints. Hey, it's live!
I'm so grateful that all the SOS clay pieces have been adopted, and it's time to send them to their forever homes with their adoption certificates. I'm also super grateful that I got some orders for my art prints and stickers. My clay pieces sell out very fast, sometimes within minutes, so I work really hard to produce plenty of art prints and stickers. I make my stickers myself in my little home studio. Here I'm packing my biggest order so far that includes a clay piece, art prints, and stickers. One of my personal goals is for my clay designs and art illustrations to have more overlap, as seen here with these characters. Thank you for spending time with me in this studio vlog. If you want to take a piece of my art home with you, my shop link is in the video description below. Till next time, bye!
This morning, I'm dropping off Japanese packages at the USPS store.
Hopefully, they'll arrive at the new owner's places quickly and safely.